the finish. Look through here. Straight, straight, straight.
Hello everyone, Tesla Pack here. We are back again for another week of racing with my Tesla. But this time, instead of a drag race, it's going to be autocross. Autocross is a whole new different level. Instead of going straight in a straight line as fast as possible, autocross is all about car control. So you have to know your car way better than you need to do in a drag race. You have to hear your tires. You have to see what they're telling you. Are they skidding? Are they like... You have to be one with the car, like kind of be one with the car. You have to know how much your car can handle. You have to know what type of turnings your car can take. It's all about car control in autocross. So naturally, the more you go to these events, the better and better you get. If you guys haven't watched my last week's video where I came here, like St. Andrews Airport, and participated in the drag racing event, please check it out. I'll link it down in the description box. Also, I'll link it up here as well on the top right corner. So click it and check it out. It was fun, and I'm sure you guys would have fun watching it too. Autocross is definitely much more fun than drag racing, but again, at the same time, it's harder on your car as well, just because you have to use your brakes a lot at high speeds and also take sharp turnings, so it wears out your tires more. So there's definitely a trade-off, but at the same time, you're having twice as fun when you're drag racing. So that's something that you should consider if you're planning to go to autocross than drag racing. The plus side about drag racing is that Tesla has regenerative braking, like I mentioned last week, and when I was drag racing, I barely used my brakes, just because regenerative braking was enough to stop the car and enough for me to like take a U-turn and get back. So a very little maintenance needs to be done if you're only drag racing your car. You just need to change your tires and that's it. Whereas in autocross, you have to do what I've mentioned before. The organizers of today's event is Winnipeg AutoSlalom. This organization is very different than the people who organized the drag racing event last week. They're a non-profit, which means it's way cheaper to get in, and it's only $30, and the reason why they charge $30 is so that they could cover their overhead costs. So if you want to take part in the event, what you gotta do is you gotta go to motorsportreg.com. I'll link it down in the description box, and then you see which event you want to go to. So let's say you want to go to here, St. Andrews Airport. You can see all the information here. So they have a promotion going on, the registration capacities, and then if there's any discounts, the location, the pricing, and also at the end they have their schedule, so when you gotta be there. And then after you're done, you can just hit continue, and then if you have an account, you sign in, and if you don't, you just create an account, and after all that, you're registered. Once you arrive, you have to sign in and get your race bracelet. Also, you get assigned a specific race number, so you have to sticker that onto your car so that people in the tracks can identify you when you're driving and racing. Once you're all signed up, you're taken for a course walkthrough so that you can map out on how you can take the best corners at the best angles to maximize your time.
Getting on the brakes and starting our turn in. If we're looking at where the car needs to be next, we're going to make a better decision.
The cones are laid out as a marker on how you need to approach the track. So when a cone is laid down and pointing right like this one, it means that your car needs to be on the right side of the wall of cones while taking this turn. And at the end of the course, you'll see there's two little black boxes that times you to the 10th of a second to see how fast you were on taking this whole course. After the drivers meeting, people start lining up to start racing. So you get divided and put into different driver groups based on your autocross experience. So naturally, the more experienced you are, the better your times get. And I was quick to realize that when I saw that this Mazda CX-5 had a better time than my Tesla. Here's some few nice cars that really caught my eye when I was at the tracks. You've heard all the roaring engines, and here's a Tesla Model 3 Performance competing with all these cars in complete silence.
Wake up to someone call me. I'm like, okay, if you set the schedule for this last Wednesday for this weekend, I'm not sure at all.
Big shout out to Winnipeg AutoSlalom for helping me guide through my first autocross event.
Points, but when we get to the box, we gotta look past that box.
Okay.
We ready? Okay, we're good. Let's go.
Alright.
So around this guy here, look down into our slalom. Power now, power now. Backside of this one. Remember, we gotta be getting on the backside of that first one. Look across. Look into our box. Power, 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 power. Tap those brakes. Put the cross. Come on the backside. Almost hit that. Now almost hit that one. Good. Wiggle through here. Get on the brakes, on the brakes. So remember, tight on this. You need to be on this cone here.
Yeah.
Squeeze that throttle, get over. Now look to our second wall. Think about our third. I see it. Carry that speed, carry that speed, carry that speed. Carry it, carry it. Now think about the finish. Look through here. Straight, 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 straight. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Good. Okay, that's probably faster, right? I think that felt less mistakes. That was good.
Hope you guys like this vlog. Stay tuned for next week's vlog, where I take you guys to one of the most beautiful places in Canada, Banff National Parks. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button to get notified of future videos coming out next week. And also show your support for the channel by hitting that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out and gives me that extra boost that I need to post more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Goodbye.